to teddy bear. Don't be teddy bear girls, they like.
Keep it that big.
I just complain to Spotify.
Why?
Why they no go make you this week's hottest single now? It's too fine. See skin. Just collect this teddy for me now.
You broke God for me. Jesus, you're in my mind. I love you so much.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Please guys, make sure to stick to the very end, because in this video you're about to witness the best of comedy reaction. So all you have to do for me is to make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so. Drop nice comments, share this video. You understand? And without saying much, let's go have some fun.
Everybody hate Jesus!
Brody!
Don't hype me, don't hype me, don't hype me.
Jesus.
My time with you all will soon come to an end.
Master, where are thou going?
I'm going to see my father.
Let me say you go book flight for everybody. Mo go see your father.
You know Sabinus vacation? My father is in heaven. I'm going to... You want?
No. Safe trip.
Safe trip. See, basically, I won't die for. But one of you guys here will betray me.
Now Judas now, who be Judas? Who be Judas? No, no. See Judas. Hey.
Judas!
He's mad.
Peter!
Master,
Why you punch him?
he be won't kiss you.
I complain? Did I complain?
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
Why they look me? You know, no say when he betray me, I'll come die for all of you see.
Master, I don't know. Oh yeah, wake up now.
And I wake up now. When you keep person back out, you don't know. Judas, please wake up. Kiss me. Let me die for your sin. Judas, wake up. Wake up!
Hey.
Mind me that. You don't say you be bad person. You faint. I wake you. You don't even talk thank you. You don't kiss me. No thank you. You don't kiss me. Don't worry, I'm Jesus. God will judge you. Master.
I never see a lot now. Your account no go. We don't send them go church account.
Blood of Jesus.
Church account. Jesus don't collect a lot.
Now 2-5 you use betray me. You no get level, Judas.
Now on God, now why?
God will judge you. You no get level.
Hey, this my account safe.
You supposed just send out your crypto wallet.
Crypto? How go they trade them?
Trade am with Jeroid app. Very fast and reliable. You get your naira. Jesus no go know.
No.
Father, forgive him, for he doesn't know what he's doing. Father, please, forgive him. He doesn't know what he's doing.
Give him another.
Father, no forgive him. He know what he do. He know what he do. He know what he do. Bend the back door. Angry soldier.
Not by me now.
Brush Jen up here.
Which kind of nonsense, man? Now Jesus will tell they play, abi. Now you gonna take Jesus play. No, no worry.
Kiki, swear that it's only me that is in your life.
Shasha, why they talk like this? What do you sort of sha? See, I don't feel like for you. If you search my heart well, oh Lord, I go your heart and my heart is burning like a flame. Oh Lord, because now you did my mind. That's how.
Are you there for my mind? Are you there make me shine like this? Are you there for my mind?
Wait. You give me transport fare.
Shasha. All this way they talk is not fair. You don't forget saying I'm carry from junction come here ni. Don't worry, very soon. Joy is coming. Joy is coming. And Joy is coming, they like on way. Person will collect us for me, they come my place. But this place,
Joy is coming. So Joy is coming.
Who the check?
He's still along for back.
Women.
Kekere, swear you did not bring any woman into this house.
When I want to explain it, my head will be headache.
This is how men really are.
I
wonder.
Since how many hours? Till night, the girl still dey sell wardrobe.
Yes, guys, let's get this ready now. You guys know why we're here now. You guys know why we're here. We're going to show us what you got now.
Hello, mommy. Shut up, Joe.
Hey, my God. I see victory. Sharp. Sharp.
Listen. Hello, mommy. Shut up, Joe.
Hey.
Let me call your mom, she tell her shut up. Hey.
You guys, you know what? I'm not going to call my mom. I'm going to call my dad.
God have mercy.
Hello, daddy. Shut up, Joe.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
You don't reach your door.
How many times
Call your mom, she tell her shut up.
before you know that Nigeria is
Slap. Heavy slap.
Shut up.
Yes.
You want to do this? You want to disrespect our mom?
The fear of mom.
Chinedu, to be in this gang, you have to prove yourself. And this is one of the things you have to do. Because together, we are the bad guys.
It's pity for you.
Okay.
You they
I'll
use
do
your
it.
function
I'll
to
do it.
play. You they use your generation to play.
Hello, mommy. Mommy, shut up, John.
Hey, Jesus. You talk about.
This evening you will die.
You talk about. Later that night.
Since then, you have not gone inside.
No, it's not that I'm afraid of my mom, you. I'm just outside collecting air.
Your mom still go finish it today, no worry. Now for outside you go sleep.
God help me.
The fear of his mom.
Help me not die day. Help me. Help me.
Chinedu, you're just coming back. Welcome, my son.
What type of
I
plane
just
is
finished
it?
eating now, and I made your favorite food. Come, so that I will give you food to eat here.
She's not hungry.
I want to see you.
Guys, I just got into the house now. My mommy is not hungry. I told you guys, I'm a bad guy.
I think sometimes in the life I'm too competitive, you know, it's good to be competitive on the field.
Hey!
It's me you're talking to like that on the phone. I'm your mate. I'm with you, spiritual.
No problem.
Dimion!
Billionaire himself.
Hey, what are you actually doing here?
My brother, I just wanted to add this one to one of my 16,000 buildings in Nigeria. Lagos to be precise.
Agkaay, when you speak of properties, what do you actually narrate? Are you talking about the land or the building itself? How is business at large and Beavers, the new stand-up happy people have made suddenly?
You know, we've updated the system. Yes, now.
Are
you sleeping? You can now buy recharge cards, data, utility bills. You can pay it there. You know, we now have a website. We are now on all social media platforms now. We even have
You want to check billionaires?
They push a cast.
Waiting be this. Jesus. Blood of
You want to check billionaires?
Sabinus to power.
Jesus.
I actually came with my friend Sam.
Who's that?
Jesus!
Hey! Did you come with anybody?
You know they see him.
Nah, I hope you are getting enough rest lately because it seems you are now seeing spirits.
Jesus! I'll never be broken, man.
I'll never be broken, my life. You're not invisible, I know they see you. I'll never be broken in my life because they don't get money, they don't see him.
Bands on bands. I love money, I cannot deny. Belly, be fed.
Let's go inside now.
We can talk here now.
Why did you like this now? I know I love you.
Danjuma was given a feel.
Why are you here?
I brought to teddy bear. Don't be teddy bear girls, they like.
Keep it that big.
I just complain to Spotify.
Why?
Why they no go make you this week's hottest single now? It's too fine. See skin. Just collect this teddy for me now.
God for me. Jesus, you're in my mind. I love you so much.
Hungry day, what did happen now? You never see anything. You never see anything.
Who teddy bear? Black goat, now meat you want.
Who are you? Who are you? Let me bring the goat now.
Let me few gas, buy onions, buy pepper, buy maggi.
Kelvin, I know you cannot afford anything. How did you manage to get this goods?
I traded my coins with Titanium Exchange because they are the best when it comes in trading all your crypto assets. So I traded it with them and got this goat for you.
Wow, let's go.
Goat where is
Person they see road enter bush. No.
Goat where is still?
You speak up, brother beg. I said you should start talking now. I beg, I'm not the one that did it, brother beg. You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk.
Let him be. Let him be. You've tortured him enough. It's obvious he's not the one that committed the crime. Yeah? Free him, let him go.
Bros, thank you. I promise I'll not do it again, bro.
I promise I will not do it again. You don't confess now.
Kill him.
Baby, will you marry me?
So are you going to stand and propose to me? Wouldn't you kneel down?
As she knew.
Kneel down.
Hey.
Me that I'm coming to take care of you. Buy electricity bill, buy food, buy water, buy everything.
And so you have to kneel down.
We not go do them again. Then pack your things and go.
I'm gonna need that to propose. Now this Gen Z, Mumu, now they do all those ones.
What did you meet? I go carry myself now. By yourself? Yes. Nah. Go carry myself. For 50 years. Yes, ma'am. They must see me I go carry according to my age. According to your age. Yes. How many years you tell them? Nah. Nah. Yes. Nah. Yes. Where you go? Uncle said the master had 16 years.
So like you will give her 16 minutes.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
I don't understand though.
She slapped a man and his wife did the unbelievable. Wow.
You're shouting Jesus Christ. Are you stupid?
How are you going to slap man?
See or something. Remove this your Google and see very well. Telling me Jesus Christ. I don't understand. You're here to do fine, Bobo, because you're wearing a tomato or something.
Hey, God, you are lucky. I don't.
You're lucky. Shut up. Shut your mouth. I said, shut your trap. You can't do anything. You're lucky you don't beat women. Then what do? Beat me now. So you find yourself in police station. Rubbish. You can't beat. You said you're lucky you don't beat women.
You know me.
Don't worry. I know you. You never touch a woman. Don't worry.
Hey.
Hey. You're hitting a man. You don't have respect.
Oh, yeah, fight him now.
You were pressing your phone. Wait. You slapped me. I will slap you again. You slapped me. If you try it again, you're hitting a man. It's like where you came from, you don't have respect. They did not teach you home training. You're hitting a man with your filthy fingers. See, the next time you see a man,
I only slap you know, beat him away.
That you're going to slap him, you.
Hey, what I want? Blow him again.
Woman will teach you a lesson.
Blow him.
All these disrespectful girls moving around.
Give her nothing.
Men.
Blow him now, blow him again.
Don't worry. Nonsense. Try it next time.
You don't beat and finish.
Next time. Come here. Where are you going to?
Slap her.
You leave here without apologizing to my man. Until you lie. You will kneel down and you will apologize.
I'm not apologizing to you.
You will not apologize, eh? You will not apologize. Will you apologize? Will you apologize? Oh, yeah? Move. Go and kneel down. Go and kneel down and apologize. Are you mad?
You not beat her well now.
They don't beat women. Kneel down and apologize. Imagine.
I'm sorry.
I said you should kneel down, auntie. Kneel down. Go on your knees. He's a man. A titled man for that matter.
You don't understand English.
He has a woman.
He's not good.
He's not God. You will kneel down today. Next time if you see a man,
I've told him sorry now. Sorry. Sorry. And you slapped me. I've told him sorry.
He will stay here.
He's not ready.
Baby, you have time now. We are going for dinner.
Too much time. Too many times.
Let's stay here.
Sorry.
Huh? See?
My friend, minute. Say it a minute.
I'm sorry, sir. Please forgive me. And if he said he has forgiven you, then you stand up and leave.
You think it's only the half boyfriend? Me, I'll call my boyfriend.
Call him! Call that your useless boyfriend. Call him, I'm here. Call him! Oh my God. For this.
You don't call your boyfriend again.
Sorry.
Stand up there and forgive you because of God. Let's stand up and slapping men.
You want to talk? Eh?
You don't call your boyfriend again. Call your boyfriend.
Come on, stop!
You are looking for my trouble now.
I am
looking for my trouble now. Hey.
Stop!
The guy get pride. Too much pride.
I thought you want to say what again.
She's tight now. As I give her a big film. Let's go.
Oh, Nara.
The guy get pride. She don't jam her type.
Thank you, Jare, my love. Thank you.
You're welcome, my love. Thank you.
Such a darling.
Let's go.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
Our love.
Thank you.
Now to go find girl very strong go. Thank you for watching. Please share. Funny, Emma.
70 years old man.
My shaman. Make boys follow you eat now.
Who you be? You get up for if I can live a match for your belly now.
But now they go message for you.
When I go message for your mother, she dey give me food.
Oh.
I come up for you now if I can handle this for your body.
I know be not where they give light to.
Get up for you.
Oh man, this bros don't get joy.
You know me before.
Dissolve! 70 years old man.
Hima! It was some food.
Yes.
Oh, you come follow me. He made it very creative. Oh. Eat.
Dissolve!
Hey!
Dissolve.
Hold this man.
Now Emma will finish you.
This evening you will die.
You don't go through it food where he hustle, where he struggle, they get.
Making his Underdog debut, presenting
Now boxing the one fight.
Let's have it.
Because of me.
Let's have it. Come on.
You want to run?
I dey hot. Dissolve!
The plot is thickening. High drama indeed as the seconds continue to tick away. Here is round 4.
Holy shit.
This guy look at this small boy that one crazy guy. Soso.
Hey!
God have mercy upon us.
Give me rice and stew.
Hey! Hey!
You're supposed to stop now. You're supposed to stop. This one is supposed to stop. Oh, babe, let's go, Jerry.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry. Do it. You do it. Don't worry. Aha.
Hey, God. You see person wey say she dey vex say Say when they play love and she don't get guy. When I first still go fall on for ground. Now wow, at least when I for buying that food now. At least that food where she wants shop when I pay her for her. You understand? Thanks guys for sticking to the very end. I believe you liked it. I believe you liked it. First and foremost, I want to talk about that Shanks, the first video you guys watched. It was meant to be creative. It was meant to be funny. But to be honest, I must tell you guys that this always using of Jesus Christ, you know, for all this kind of comedy skits, I think it's becoming too much and it's becoming boring as well. You understand? So I think they should stop it. It's no longer that funny. You understand? Though Shanks did something great there, but I would just say maybe they stop down, maybe they tone it down a little, But apart from that, I think every other skit around there was actually okay. So thanks for sticking to the very end. Check out my other videos. You know I always give you guys the best. So there's so many other videos which I believe you're yet to watch. So check them out. Drop nice comments, share this video, and subscribe. See you in the next one, guys. Love and peace.